Groovy Reacts back again with Rob and Tyler. And
Hello.
what do you got for me, Tyler?
I actually don't really have much to say about this song. I don't really know a lot about the band. I know they're a contemporary, modern, like classic style rock group for the most. That's kind of how I would describe it, at least this song. This song kind of gives me, and this is everybody says this about a lot of bands, but kind of some Zeppelin vibes. To be honest with you, definitely that groove and that type of music, that '70s type rock. I just like the song. I think it's a good rock song.
All right. I don't think I've ever heard of this band before in my life, so
Yeah, they're pretty new.
I definitely haven't heard it. I don't know anything new. So I guess we'll just get going.
All right.
If you're ready, I'll count down here.
Sure.
3, 2, 1, and play.
I've never seen the music video either.
Is this Cashmere?
It does sound like it, doesn't it? Love the suspenders on that drummer. You know who I think this guy sounds like? Paul Rogers from Bad Company.
You know, it's one of the groups that, while I'm a big classic rock fan, I know very little about Bad Company. Even sounds like Robert Plant, especially from the first album.
$5.5 million views, that ain't bad.
Not shabby.
That's weird.
Gary Glitter?
I hope not. There's like an effect on his voice too. I can't.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it, but yeah.
Little kind of echoey.
Yeah.
Just like the Strokes. The Strokes had an effect on his voice too.
It's almost like it's going through a older type mic where it's got a little bit of a fuzz to it, you know.
I'm actually liking this. Well, you really surprised me with this one.
Yeah. Oh, you hear that sustain?
Yeah, you surprised me with this one. I like that.
Yeah, I thought so
Really
too.
had
I
like
mean,
a Zeppelin vibe, like you said.
yeah, for sure. Especially that intro. I didn't realize how much that sounded like. Is it Kashmir? Is that the song?
I think,
Yeah, I
but
get a lot of their songs mixed up. But yeah, for sure.
yeah, I
Um,
do the same thing. I know a lot of their songs, but I still get them mixed up in my head.
yeah, they all have unique names too most of the time. Yeah, I know like another maybe one song from this group, and that's it. It gets a lot of radio play. So they're on the radio. They're fairly popular. That's definitely a band I'd
That's
see
the one
live
thing
for
I
sure.
don't do is I never listen to the radio.
I don't anymore, but I canceled my Sirius subscription, so I don't listen to any radio at all.
Not so
Um,
serious anymore.
yeah, and so yeah, I don't know what's on the radio nowadays, but that's where I heard these guys. So
No, I like that. I don't know if it's something I'd listen to all the time, but that
Mhm.
song was pretty darn good.
Yeah, cool. Boy, I'm betting 1,000 with you, I think, on this.
Not exactly. That was a couple I kind of had iffy. A
Oh,
couple
you
of
didn't like do
the,
the Donkey Kong?
no, it was more like the country ones. I wasn't really big on.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Cody Jinks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm still MVP batting average.
That's because I got better taste than you. Because I like about everything.
I don't know if that means you have better taste or not. I don't think that's how that works. Anyway.
Anyway, we'll debate this at a later date.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. We'll debate this on the next Man of War. So.
So, thanks for watching, everybody.